It's been an honor to have you here. I would like to thank also our relatives from Iloilo, Davao, Nueva Ecija, Bataan, most especially to Lolo Velez, Lolo Milak, Lolo Ito, and Lolo Medin. I hope that we could reach your age. And I would like to thank also Auntie Nilda, thank you so much. I'd like to thank also our suppliers, Annie Glaze, Events Essential, of course, Tamayos, thank you so much for your wonderful staff and crews. Mr. Paulo Landicho, thank you so much. Chief Flower Shop, Miss Mayan, si Miss Rhea, thank you so much. I'd like to thank also our friends and co-workers, thank you so much for your presence. I would like to thank Jovel and Jeff. Thank you so much for taking good care of Josa. Thank you for loving and respecting her. To my sister, Rani Lin, thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you. To Raymond, who came all the way from Australia, that he adjusts his vacation just for this event. Thank you so much. I could not express what I feel right now, but thank you. To Mommy and Daddy, thank you so much for treating me as your own son. Thank you for your love and support. I know wherever Mommy is right now, I know she's happy that I finally walked down the aisle with her daughter. May you rest in peace. Thank you. And finally, to my parents, you have given me everything. Thank you for all your sacrifices, for your love and support. A son could not ask anything. Thank you so much for what you have done to me. I will not be here kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat. And to all our guests, I cannot consider this event special without you. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you so much once again on behalf of our